Hello again. We are back inside of Zoho Survey, and now we're going to talk about how to sync it with the CRM. So, from logging in to Zoho Survey, we're going to click on the settings in the upper right hand corner. And then on this left panel here, we're going to go to apps and services. And you're going to see all of the different applications that you can sync with. And we are going to choose Zoho CRM. So, we're going to click connect. And then it's going to give you an option to sync it to the production environment, which that is your live environment, or a sandbox. A sandbox is going to be a testing environment inside of your system. So it's going to be up to you where you want to do it. But if we're actually utilizing these surveys for real, then we want to do it with the production environment. So we'll click connect, and now we are connected to the CRM. And you can always click on manage if you want to disconnect and then connect it to Sandbox, so you can switch them up if you chose the wrong one, or if you need to, maybe you started out with testing and then you want to move to production, then you would be able to just change it that way. And so one thing you can do in Zoho Survey that you cannot do in like Zoho Forms is you can actually integrate it with multiple applications. So I can integrate it with Zoho Desk and Zoho CRM if I choose to, whereas Zoho Forms, it's only going to allow you to choose one place that you can integrate it with. So that's a really cool feature as well. Okay, so once you do that, you're all set up and your Zoho Survey is now synced with your CRM.